Welcome to this section on the reflections in the mirror. The law of attraction is not trying to make your life miserable or anything. The law of attraction is just doing its job. It gives people what they are thinking of the most, and that is simply it. Now, that you are making aware of the law of attraction, does this mean that it will start working for you just now? No. This primal law has been working for you since the day you were born. People who don't know about the law of attraction will still be affected by it. People who think they can use the law of attraction to their full advantage will still be subject to its various complexities. Even if they already recognize it as a potent yet invisible force in their lives. Let us now turn our attention to our thoughts. In this volume, we explore the role of the dominant thoughts in attracting and manifesting things in reality. Just how important are your thoughts? Think of it this way: your past thoughts are responsible for everything that you exist in your present reality. Every thought that you create and focus on in the present time will determine your life in the future. It is an endless cycle, and the law of attraction works perfectly every step of the way. By perfectly, we simply refer to immutability of this law and its presence in everything we do. So whatever you think, that will attract something due to law of attraction. That is as simple as that the law of attraction is. We can also like the law of attraction to planting seeds in a fertile field. We can also compare it. So the fertile field in your life, the law of attraction and the seeds are simply the thoughts that you create on your own. If you are constantly thinking on your fears and anxieties, the field will bring forth events that will increase your fears and anxieties. An apple seed will not yield oranges. Bad thoughts will not yield good things. It does not matter if you find your thoughts completely agreeable or not at the moment that you create the thoughts. The law of attraction hears your thoughts clearly and gives you what you are thinking. The law of attraction is like a clear mirror that reflects objects in their entirety. If you are thinking about poverty, the law of attraction will reflect poverty regardless your intentions and emotions. If you think about wealth, the law of attraction will reflect wealth and more. Please pay attention to your thoughts and understand the basic philosophy of the law of attraction, that is, it will attract what you think. That's all we have in this section. Stay tuned. We'll catch you in the next section.